millions of readers enjoy paper-like digital displays, yet few ever see the extraordinary engineering required to build a modern e-reader screen.
Inside these highly controlled facilities, thousands of microscopic components must come together with extreme precision to create a screen that behaves like real paper.
Welcome inside one of the most advanced display manufacturing facilities in the world, where electronic paper technology is. For the next few minutes, we will follow every major production stage required to create a paper-like display capable of operating for weeks on a single battery charge. Let's begin at the very foundation of every e-reader display, the ultra-thin glass substrate that forms the backbone of the entire screen.
Production begins with ultra-thin display glass, engineered to microscopic tolerances before it can support the complex electronic layers required for electrophoretic display technology. Before a single pixel can be created, every substrate must meet extraordinarily strict standards. Even The next stage creates the invisible electronic foundation of the display. Millions of microscopic Each display backplane contains millions of microscopic switching elements. Together, they will control the movement of every particle that creates visible text on the final screen. Now production shifts from electronics to materials science. Here, millions of microscopic capsules are created to form the heart of electronic paper technology. The behavior of these microscopic capsules determines the contrast, clarity, and power efficiency of every completed display. For the first time, the electronic backplane and the electrophoretic material come together. This coating stage forms the visual layer of the future display. The coating process must achieve extraordinary uniformity. Variations measured in microns can influence the final appearance and performance of the display. At this stage, individual functional layers are combined into a unified display structure, capable of producing the images. By this stage, the display has taken physical shape. The paper-like imaging layer is now permanently integrated and ready.
The display can now show images, but it still needs a brain. Specialized driver electronics are installed to control every pixel with extraordinary precision.
The display is now electronically complete. The next challenge is proving that every pixel responds exactly as intended.
Every display undergoes extensive testing. Engineers verify image quality, contrast performance,
Unlike conventional displays, electronic paper physically moves charged particles into position. This unique process creates the paper-like appearance readers experience every day. Only displays that satisfy strict optical, electrical, and reliability standards are approved for installation into finished reading devices.
We need 6 more trays for the overseas shipment.
I'm printing the labels now. They'll be ready in 5 minutes. Stones. After passing every inspection and certification stage, each display is carefully protected for transportation.
We need to verify the manifest for the Tokyo shipment.
It's already cleared customs, dispatch confirmed. From advanced materials engineering to semiconductor manufacturing and precision assembly, every display begins a remarkable journey before reaching the hands of a reader. What appears to be a simple reading screen is actually the result of advanced chemistry, semiconductor engineering, precision